What do you see when you look at clothing? A trendy dress, a cute baby romper, seductive lingerie. But can you really know what's in that item? Of course you can read the label and gather some information. However, some recent tests carried out on imported garments presented some surprising results. The Prato Industrial Union has commissioned a study on imported garments sold in the Prato area. The analysis was carried out by students in their last year at the Tullio Buzzi Technological Institute under the supervision of Professor Giuseppe Bartolini.
Per quanto riguarda i campioni acquistati, abbiamo cercato di procurarci una popolazione di campioni più ampia e vasta possibile. Il 96% dei campioni è made in China, il 50% dei nostri campioni proviene da negozi, il restante 25% dalla grande distribuzione e venditori ambulanti.
So, which safety parameters apply on an international level? In Europe, the REACH regulation is in force. China uses a standard called GB 18401. The European regulation is more general and it applies to almost every kind of product. The Chinese regulation has different subsets applying specifically to each different kind of product.
Una situazione di questo tipo favorisce enormemente le aziende produttive cinesi a discapito delle aziende produttive europee.
There is also another disparity between the two regulations.
Il parametro più significativo che siamo andati a analizzare durante tutta la nostra esperienza sono i coloranti azoici.
A small number of azoic dyes are banned in Europe because when they come in contact with the skin, they may release carcinogenic substances called aromatic amines.
I parametri invece previsti ufficialmente solo dalla normativa cinese sono 3.
Chinese regulations have restrictions not only concerning aromatic amines, but also concerning formaldehyde, pH levels of the water extract, and dye fastness. So, considering that the Chinese regulations on chemical safety are even stricter than European ones, there should be no problems with the clothing that we import from China. Instead, the results of these tests are very surprising. 4% of the samples would not be legal to sell in the European Union because they contain aromatic amines. Marketing products containing dangerous substances is a criminal offense.
Paradossalmente però degli stessi capi analizzati il 27% non sarebbe vendibile all'interno dei territori cinesi pur essendo stati prodotti all'interno della Repubblica Popolare Cinese.
The results regarding the composition of the fibers are equally incredible. Over 60% of the garments are not compliant with EU regulations. The tests also revealed the presence of alkophenols in the samples. They're chemicals that were once commonly used in detergents. However, since 2002, it is forbidden to make and use detergents containing alkophenols in the European Union. When fabrics were washed with alkophenols, these molecules would end up in wastewater, which would drain into water treatment plants and then into rivers. When alkophenol molecules are broken up, they become very similar to female hormones. As they drain into rivers and into the sea, they can cause male fish to become female.
In Cina gli apeos non sono vietati e quindi continuano ad essere usati in quanto hanno un basso costo di produzione. Dalla Cina importiamo quindi capi contenenti residui di apeos che non possono essere bloccati alle frontiere perché appunto il regolamento europeo ne vieta la presenza solo nei detergenti, nei fusti dei detergenti.
I risultati di questa ricerca dimostrano che i capi che vengono importati sul territorio europeo hanno anche al loro interno delle sostanze tossiche.
The European industry has put a growing effort into reducing pollution. Today, we import substances that have been banned for years. Actually, some of the goods we import from China could not be legally sold even in China. The practices of European and Chinese customs are very different. At Chinese customs, non-compliant goods are confiscated and destroyed, and companies are blacklisted, incurring even stricter inspection. European customs, on the other hand, are not as strict.
Chiediamo fortemente sia all'autorità che alla politica europea che si attivi al massimo per far sì che ci sia una reciprocità vera tra le dogane, tra i comportamenti appunto in ingresso e in uscita dei nostri prodotti.
In order to protect the environment, consumers, and the entire garment industry. Let's not import pollution.